This elegant terrazzo was installed during a remodel of a landmark building that required extensive architectural upgrades with expert craftsmanship. At 90,000 square feet, it is considered the largest Venetian epoxy terrazzo installation in New York City. The large panel diamond pattern layout, with hand-cut intersecting divider strips, mirror the ceilings and architectural curves and radiuses. All are used to advantage in reception areas, sky lobby, client-facing areas, and work cafés. Pouring the floor over multiple substrates required 2-inch epoxy fill at elevator lobbies and a raised floor system in other areas. The Venetian aggregate was blended directly into the mix and hand-troweled. Poured-in-place cove base was built out so the precast panels in the cafe could sit flush on top. Removable precast panels on food service stations allow access to gas and water valves and match the walls. Epoxy sand fill was built up to allow for the tree planter. The floors were leveled within 1/16-inch tolerance and ground with help of a laser. For this dazzlingly designed and executed project at Deutsche Bank, let's give a big round of applause to Zonka Terrazzo and Mosaic of Armonk, New York.